Adventure Worx sleeping bags, the ultimate companion for your outdoor adventures. Whether you're trekking in the mountains or exploring the depths of the jungle, our low-altitude sleeping bags are designed to provide you with the highest quality and comfort. With its zero-quilting construction design, this sleeping bag ensures great warmth and coziness inside your tent or log hut. No matter the temperature outside, our sleeping bags will keep you snug and comfortable throughout the night. Our sleek mummy shape ensures efficient insulation, keeping you warm even in the coldest of nights. The full-side zipper with a double-handle slider and zip draft tube traps heat inside, preventing any cold drafts from disturbing your sleep. To enhance warmth, our sleeping bags come with a hood featuring a drawcord and draft tubes. This added feature ensures that you stay cozy and protected from the elements. Crafted with fine yarn woven uncoated lightweight yet robust fabrics, our sleeping bags are both durable and lightweight. You can easily carry them on your hikes without feeling weighed down. When not in use, they can be conveniently stored in the included telestuff sack. Adventure Worx sleeping bags are ideal for lower altitudes, making them perfect for campsites in mountains, resorts, jungle lodges, and homestays. Choose Adventure Worx sleeping bags for your next outdoor escapade and experience the ultimate in quality and comfort.